Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Make sure your Python and pip are current so dependencies behave. Next, activate a virtual environment so libraries stay isolated. This avoids conflicts later. Once done, install Jupyter and Kernel with pip and decide a clear kernel name. You do this now because the kernel registration depends on the active environment, so registering from the right interpreter ensures Jupyter uses the intended packages and path. Now you register the kernel using ipykernel install. Do this from the same activated environment so the executable points correctly. After registration, launch Jupyter Notebook or Lab and explicitly choose the newly created kernel from the kernel menu. To confirm everything is wired, run a quick cell that prints sys, executable and a slice of sys. Path. This tells you which interpreter is active and which package locations Jupyter will use. Finish by testing real code cells that import your main packages. If imports fail, upgrade or reinstall those packages and rerun ipykernel install. Make sure environment variables like path or Python path aren't overriding the interpreter. Inspect Jupyter console logs for permission or path errors. If problems persist, remove the problematic kernel folder in your user Jupyter kernels directory and reinstall. That often clears stale metadata and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.